engine of growth, accelerating progress across vital sectors: transport, infrastructure, construction, industrial manufacturing, auxiliary power, agriculture, shipping, and others. A symbol of speed and performance. Max Force diesel engines. From Mahindra Navistar, the engine for powering performance. Max Force is a fusion of global expertise of two world leaders, Mahindra and Mahindra, one of India's leading global conglomerates with a burgeoning presence in automobiles, and Navistar USA, North America's leading manufacturer of heavy commercial trucks, buses, and the popular Max Force brand of diesel engines, a legacy spanning more than 175 years. Max Force engines are a benchmark for trucks in North America in almost every vehicle class, including off-highway applications. These engines are validated to suit rigorous Indian operating conditions across multiple sectors. Global technology localized for maximizing performance. Today, Max Force engines power the new generation Mahindra Navistar heavy trucks and tippers. Max Force engines are at the heart of today's high-performing machines like earth-moving equipment, construction machinery, material handling systems, mechanized agriculture, diesel power generators, and marine vessels. In the fast-emerging industrial belt of Chakan near Pune, Maharashtra, Mahindra Navistar has set up a world-class facility for the exclusive manufacture of Max Force diesel engines with a capacity to produce 50,000 engines per annum. The latest inline robotic-controlled machines produce critical components with high precision and speed. The engine assembly line is also equipped with modern material handling systems that enable stress-free handling of components and sub-assemblies. Here, the engines are bar-coded online for future traceability and effective maintenance of service records. Each and every point of assembly is manned by an engineering supervisor to ensure defect-free operations. The unique engine tracking system ensures that the data of every engine is monitored and stored. The assembled engines are then moved towards the acoustic test stations. Every engine is tested for multiple performance parameters in accordance with stringent quality management procedures. All operations are seamlessly integrated through SAP ERP. The engines and components manufactured at this state-of-the-art plant are exported worldwide. Max Force diesel engines perfectly match the demand for speed and scale of performance with reliability, durability, and fuel efficiency, whilst meeting the latest emission norms. Even while partnering with global suppliers, they offer greater value to customers thanks to localization of components. The Max Force 7.2 and 4.8-litre revolutionary engines offer best-in-class fuel economy with high performance. Its cutting-edge technology incorporates a high-pressure common rail fuel system, optimized calibrations, 4 valves per cylinder design with increased engine breathing, and optimized combustion chambers. Max Force engines provide clean diesel solutions for compliance with the latest Euro 4 norms and meet Euro 5 norms as well, enabling you to be future ready. MaxxForce engines are backed by a strong emphasis on R&D and aftermarket engineering support. The application teams work closely with the customer for co-creating tailor-made solutions, thereby helping OEMs to reduce their time to market. For genset validation and testing, a modern load bank testing facility is installed at the factory. MaxxForce engines are backed by efficient after-sales support. An expert team of field engineers are on call anytime, anywhere to ensure trouble-free performance of MaxxForce engines. A nationwide network of dealers and service centers guarantees reliable after-sales service to customers with round-the-clock availability of genuine spares.
Mahindra Navistar is first of all a latest generation engine. It meets it rather exceeds the emission norms. It has a much better block loading capacity.
We have introduced Mahindra Navistar 6-cylinder engine on our crawler crane of 75-ton capacity. The engine is well accepted by customer.
Mahindra Navistar is really a very good partner in our business that brings lot of value for money with the service, good timely delivery of the engines, all-time support.
Sterling and Mahindra Navistar, both the companies are quality-driven companies, and this is one of the biggest advantages what we have enjoyed with each other.
With regard to getting timely support on technical queries, timely support on product validations, getting response on parts, we found them a good partner. We are considering their 4-cylinder engines on wheel loaders and graders.
MaxxForce, the engine of growth for the future, is propelled by an empowered team of young and energetic engineers and management professionals, guided by committed leadership, a collective mission to enhance value for customers by powering performance.